I'm Ashley Ali. I'm a Steadman Hawkins Clinic of the Carolinas Fellow at Greenville Health Systems. I grew up in St. Louis, Missouri. I went to undergrad at Florida Gulf Coast University in Fort Myers, Florida. And I went to medical school back in St. Louis and then back down to Florida in Tampa for residency, and now I'm here for fellowship. A fellow is a physician that has completed their 5 years of surgical training. In our case, it's orthopedic surgical training, and they want to do an extra year of focused learning in a specific subspecialty. And for me, that would be sports medicine. I was very excited to have matched here. The Steadman Hawkins Clinic has an extremely good reputation in the orthopedic community, and the fact that it's now in Greenville, South Carolina, I was excited to have the opportunity to live here in such a fun and unique city for a year. I believe that if the physician puts the patient first in everything, and they always have the patient centered in their mind, then they'll be a good physician because they have their intentions are in the correct place, because the only reason that we are here is to serve a patient. I chose to go into sports medicine and orthopedics in general because I actually participated in a lot of sports when I grew up. I was fortunate that I didn't have any injuries, but a lot of my friends growing up did have injuries in sports. I had the opportunity to meet the team physician for my team when I played in college, and that was my first exposure to orthopedics and sports medicine. And then when I went to medical school, I realized what a special field orthopedic surgery is, to have the opportunity to treat people that have the desire to move and improve their function, and the patients in general do very well with orthopedic surgery. Most of the time they have good outcomes and the patients are satisfied, and we have the opportunity to be a part of that. I think it's a really unique field in medicine. When I'm not at work, I enjoy hanging out with my husband and my 1.5-year-old son, Palmer. He was named after Arnold Palmer, so we like to play golf, my husband and I. Anything outdoors. I've already been hiking several times at Paris Mountain, and sporting events especially. I've already been to a couple of Greenville Drive games, so I'm excited to just enjoy Greenville.